Okay, introduce yourself.
Yeah, I'm Ramakrishna, and I have 5 years of experience in manual testing, and presently working in Hazoras Private Limited. And apart from that, I have other experience like apart from IT testing, that too is in a testing. That's also from myself.
Okay, what are your roles and responsibilities as a manual tester in your organization?
My roles are like preparing test cases, writing test cases and testing them, and also performing regression testing and also database testing. And sometimes I used to do API testing as
Okay, so how many projects you did in your organization as a manual tester?
well. Three, sir.
Please, who are the clients for every project?
For two of them were Conduent is the one, and the last project which I did was Highways England. Like they are same as tolls which we accept here, like toll processing,
Okay,
National Highways England, and present project is Carter's website.
okay. Can you give some information about the projects?
Yeah, the first one is regarding tickets, sir. Like we have SLAs for every events. Like for example, in internet, when we have some problem, we'll raise a request for them. So for that one, there will be SLA. So processing of the SLAs will be there in that project. And the second one, which is a conduit one, that is highways project. Uh, it will have different kinds of users like registered one and pagey and some other unregistered vehicles. Whatever the vehicles that are passing through that highway, the cam will operate there and it will take the pictures of that and it will verify that with the available registered numbers, and based on that, the charge will be posted onto their accounts. And that plan will be different in different accounts based on the type. For this, in this project, I used to do database testing as well. And the current project is the Carter's website, which I am working on the Pega. It is developed in Pega. So, like Pega CDH. Depending on the offers, we'll test whether it is selecting correct offer or not, whether our system, our API is giving correct offer or not.
Okay,
So I have to validate those offers.
okay. So how many team members were there in your first project as well as in this current project?
The first project, my team members were like three developers were there and five testers were there, and one test lead was there. So, and the national highways was a huge, big one. So it involves already 10 or 11 testers and different types of project heads. Like we have to do database and also we have to do front end. So different modules have different developers. So approximately eight developers were there, and 10 to 15 testers were there, and one scrum master. That's also the present project. We are dealing only with it is a small project like API testing. So our team is having only four testers and two developers and one scrum master.
Hmm. Okay. What all challenges you faced in all your projects?
The first project, it was a waterfall model, so I didn't had much problems in there because only I used to test the test cases which were already written, and whatever the defects I used to raise, it were resolved, and I used to then close those defects. But in the second project, we have to compare different modules like front end. Also, we need to compare, and back end again we need to compare with the back end value whether whatever the data is getting inserted into the database or not. Sometimes the price of the toll charge will be different. Like it will be deducted the same amount, and but the presentation was different. Like if it deducts 2.5 pounds, but at some point of time it was having problem with the different types of plans. Like for one it will charge 1 pound, and for other plan it will charge 2 pounds. So sometimes it will get overlap, and it used to display different amount. So for the interfacing those modules, there was a problem. So
Mm,
I had to reach different modules heads, and I need to resolve those defects based on the inputs.
In this current project, what all challenges you are facing?
Actually, I'm new to the Pega CDH, so this is only learning phase of mine. Like uh, uh, Pega CDH, it will have a different. It is already there in Pega. The functionality, like on what basis the offers will be selected. Actually, the website is a Fabrics one for children. So depending on the age of the children, and depending on the birthday dates, all these things, they will select the offers. So I need to test different parameters like age and birthday dates. And sometimes if one offer is given in this particular month, then the next offer should not be given up to 45 days. So I need to test all these things.
Mm, okay. Okay, write one program on encapsulation. You open Eclipse and share your screen.
Yeah. Is my screen visible, sir?
Yeah, it's visible.
Mhm.
These T should be small.
Yeah, sorry, sir. So here we are encapsulating. I mean, shall I need to explain this one, sir?
Yeah, yeah. First explain, then after that run.
Encapsulation is nothing but we are restricting the access of a member of a class. Like here, CVV is my member of a class. So I'm restricting access to all the members of the team or outside client or someone else. So by making it as a private. So, but here we are again giving the permission to the specific members through by making the methods get and set methods, getter and setter with making it as public. So here I am using this keyword so that I can assign the this local variable to the global variable, which is private in nature. And here from here I can get the value whatever I have entered here. I mean, whatever the value I have given here.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now run.
Here 1, 2, 3 is the value which I have given.
Okay, write another program to take input from scanner and find out the area of circle.
So yeah, that's also
Okay, now run it.
run it. I ran already. Is my output visible, sir?
Yes, it is visible. Okay, write one program on HashMap and display the use of put all method.
Shall I run, sir?
Yes, run.
Is it okay, sir?
They explain the program logic.
Yeah, the program logic is we are upcasting the hash map to map so that we can utilize the methods of map interface. So after that, since hash map is a class and map is an interface, we are upcasting this hash map to map. And after that, we are using the method put to add the elements in the object of map class, I mean hash map class. So
Mm,
we are adding here in that map takes the values in terms of key and value pair. So we are giving string and integer as a pair here. And these all values are added to the M1 object M1 or collection we can call. And
mhm,
after that, we are creating one more object of the hash map class. So after that, the put all will, what this will do is all the elements present in the M1, it will add to the M2.
mhm. Okay. Okay, write one another program to reverse an array.
Can I run this, sir?
Yes, run it.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. What is difference between string buffer and string builder?
String buffer and string builder. String buffer and string builder actually both are mutable string objects. I mean, we can create mutable string objects from this string buffer and string builder class. But the difference is that string buffer it is synchronized. That means only one thread can access the method or some parts of the or code uh, at a time, whereas string builder can multiple threads can access the code at a single point of time. So string buffer is synchronized, whereas the string builder is non-synchronized. And apart from that, since it is a synchronized one, string buffer is thread safe, whereas string builder is not thread safe. And string buffer was introduced in 1. Java version 1.0, and string builder was introduced in Java version 1.5.
Hmm. Okay. Okay, Ramakrishna, thank you. You have answered very questions very brilliantly. Just you need to avoid silly mistakes that this keyword should be in T should be in small.
Yeah, yes.
Rest all are fine. A very good potential. You can achieve high, better success in life.
Yeah, thank you so
Very
much, sir.
high scope. So keep on giving mock interviews and keep on applying for jobs. You'll sure get better opportunities.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for your valuable input, sir.
Thank you.